Hey, what's going on? Today I will be talking about installing the Faux Locs on hair that hasn't been touched in a year. What's pictured is hair that has a few twists, have a few dreads, have a few plaits, things like that. So what we're going to do is put some conditioner on it, soften it up, and take out the braids. So massage it in real good. The tool I'll be using will be a 0.75 triple prongs. It's my fave. Here you see some of the hair is, plucked out. I don't mean to say plucked out, but yeah, this is the end result of it. And this is how it looks. Look at it, fluffy, back to life. So then I parted some of the sections. And then we're going to be using the Cuban Twist super long 24 inch. So being that my phone was dying, I had to use a camera. The camera, I'm sorry for the quality of the camera, but you can pretty much see what I'm doing. You see how these locks glistening? Let's not play these games. But yeah, the locks just glistening. Over time, just gonna, just finish this up, wrap this up. We're just showing you, what is this, the Silky dreads. I don't know, I've done them for years and never had the proper naming for them. So I hope that is the proper naming. That is kind of sucky that I'm doing a video and don't know the exact name of it. I just can't think right now. I have ADHD. Sometimes I'm there and sometimes I'm not. But just know, I am focused. So, as I begin to part and dissect, sit back and listen to the music.